installation, you will need needle-nose pliers. First, take off the cover. Use the pliers to clamp the groove of the protective cover, and then rotate 30 degrees counterclockwise to take off the cover. Second, install the sensor. There are arrows on the sensor and the circuit board. Make sure the arrows are in the same direction, and rotate clockwise to tighten the sensor. Then finish installation. Press this button to turn the high bay on or off. The Auto Mode button will start the sensor and use your pre-programmed settings. The Reset button will restore your sensor to the factory default settings, seen here. Here you can set the detection range for moving objects. There are 4 ranges from 25 to 100%. Hold time specifies how long your high bay will stay illuminated if no moving objects are detected. You can set the range from 5 seconds to 30 minutes. Here you can set a standby dimming level. If no moving objects are detected, the light will dim to your desired level. You can set it from 10% to 50%. The standby period is how long your lights will stay at your desired dimming level. You can set it from 0 seconds to infinite. You can set the daylight sensor to a desired lux value. This way, when the ambient light is higher than the lux value, the sensor won't switch on the light even if motion is detected. When ambient light is lower than this lux value, the sensor will activate again. The test button is used to ensure the sensor is working. Press any button to quit the test. During the test, hold time is set to 2 seconds. There are 4 preset modes that allow you to quickly program the sensor using popular predetermined settings. Refer to the chart above for details.